nursing assistant for today. Regarding to the doctor, I need to restrain the patient because he's combative. I do hygiene. Then, if there is a family inside, you can ask permission to the family to need to restrain the patient because he's combative, and also need to reduce the injury. First, I will prepare all the items I need. Then, second, I will talk to the patient if he's still conscious. Sir, it's okay. I will put the restraint to your hand to avoid the injury and also for my safety also. Just it very tight, sir. Right or okay?
Right cervical rotation.
So, you need to put to the area that not non-movable.
Left cervical flexion. Right cervical flexion.
That is the connection. Move your hand.
Okay. How's your feeling now, sir? So we need to avoid also the injury to the environment. So
Adduction.
now I will remove the irremovable. Okay. Now I will remove your string.
Flexion. Extension.
I will do clean
Flexion.
and hand hygiene. Then ask permission to the